Hello happy people, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Krapes Major, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your login page. So we are going to change the logo, because at the moment if you click on this logo it takes you to WordPress and we don't want that. We are going to put our link there and put our logo, and also change the color of the login because this is not our brand color. And also I would like to change the background, maybe put a nice picture. To do that, we will need to log into WordPress. So I'll log into my WordPress account. From here, we'll need to use a plugin. So we'll go to plugin and we need to add a new plugin. So we'll say add new plugin. And then we are searching for a plugin called Ultimate Dashboard. And then this is a plugin. You can see that it has many active install. At the moment is 50,000. And then we'll install the plugin and activate it. Alright, so from here you'll see that we have a plugin here with many options, and again we have settings. So we are looking for login page customization, and from the options here you see that we have all widget. You can add new module, settings, white label, admin page, and then login customization. So we are looking for this option. Select that. Alright, so what happened now is that the plugin loaded our front page, which is not yet done. And that is because we are busy with the series on how to build a WordPress theme using ACF Pro. The project is not yet done, but we are not dealing with the project at the moment. We want to customize our login page. So we go to login customizer. From login customizer, we have few options. So the first one is layout. We are using a free version, so we are given one layout. This is what I prefer. Alright, so let's go to logo. So from logo, we have to choose our own logo. So this is our logo. So I'll select that. Logo height, I'll leave it at 100%. So this is a URL that redirect to WordPress. So we need to put our own URL here. So I'll copy this URL and then I'll place it here. And then we have powered by WordPress, which is a logo title. I don't think this is important, but I'll just write our own. So I'll say school system. This comes from our template here under our logo. So I'll say school system. Alright, going back, let's go to background. So under background, I'll want to give it an image. I'll put an image there and then I'll select that image. I think it's under download. There we go. Alright, so here we'll put it at no repeat. And then center, I like that. And I would like to have a background overlay. So make it darker, a little bit darker. So I'll select a black color. And then if we take this down, and then we publish the changes, and we go back to incognito. Let us view this. There we go. So that looks good. Let me make it more darker. Let's go back. Let me take it up a little bit. Let's take it to 80%. So 80, let's publish. And let us view this in incognito. There we go. But it's a bit dark. But anyway, you know what to do. And then we have this part. The only part that I would like to change is the login button. So I would like to change its background to maybe yellow, because our theme uses a yellow background. Alright, so let's look at that. Where can we find under login form? So layout, we only have one, which is a default one. And then background color, I think we will keep it at white. This color, I want to keep it white. Going to the width, I'll leave the width, the padding and everything as it is. And then border color, I think that's fine. Well, maybe let us use the yellow color. Alright, so I got that color. I'll use it here. and then border radius, I'll leave it like that. So let's go back to incognito and refresh, view this. Okay, so there it's our yellow color. All right, going back, we are looking for that button. So let's go back to the form, and then input field, I'll leave them as it is. And then border color, I'll put the yellow. Publish and go back, and then label, I'll leave them as they are. And then login color, so here is where we find login color, and background color, we'll put our yellow color. And then background hover, so if we hover most of our button on the website, they do have their own hover color, which is that blue color. So I think I'll just make this one a bit darker. Yeah, I'll make it this one and leave it as it is, and we publish. Alright, so the last part will be the footer. So we'll go and look at that. So there we go. As you can see now, we have our logo background color, or our theme color. So now we need to customize this, the footer. Going back to our WordPress, and let's go to the footer. And then the links, so at the moment they are gray, so let's make them white. All right, so make them white, and then link hover color, I'll make them yellow. And then remove registered, lost password, you can remove that, and then leave that, remove switch, and then publish. And let us review for the final time, and I'll refresh this. Here we go. So that's how it looks. So we have removed those other options, so we only left with this one. That's how you customize your login page in WordPress. So next time when we log in, we're gonna use this login page which looks nice. So see you on the next video.